are now in lesson 26-C of Greg's Shorthand, Volume 1, Series 90. Okay, so as I said the last video, I will give you another set of oral reading. So here we go. Dear Madam, early in March, I wrote you to the effect that the trees in back of your home need a good spraying because the insects will start to attack them late in May or early in June. Period. I have not had an answer to my letter. Period. Did it reach you? Question mark, paragraph. If you would like my staff to take care of spraying your trees, please call me collect at open parenthesis 300 close parenthesis 555-1171 period. The cost of spraying your trees properly with a new type of spray that will not harm animals or trees will be only $150. Period. Yours very truly. Okay, so as I remind, during oral reading, you must familiarize first the brief forms and then the common phrases and then the rules. Okay, please observe this one. That is early. So, letter E and R, then word ending and li is represented by a tiny circle. So, this is a tiny circle. So, that is early. Okay, next, this one. This is a brief forms. I, and then wrote. So, I wrote. Next, this one. Of your. Then, word or sound of H at the beginning is represented by a dot. And then, a dot at the end of the word is represented by ing. So, please look at the difference. Home at the beginning. Then, at the end is ing. Spraying home. Okay? Then, next, I have. Okay, I have not had. That is a dot. Had, sound of H. Okay, so in between the word, a dot is represented by the a or an. Okay? So, what is the next? Okay, this one. From the word properly. Okay. Li is a tiny circle at the end of the word. Okay, properly. Next, this one, harm. Sound of H is represented by a dot at the beginning of a word. So that is harm. Okay? So, hope you understand my very simple lesson. So, if you have any suggestion or comments, please comment it below. So, thank you and have a nice day. Anyway, before I forget, before I end this video, by next lesson, lesson 27, I will give you another set of lesson, which is the word ending in cient, ciency, tion, and then what is T for to and phrases. Okay? So, bye-bye. Thank you.